Akamai is a leading cloud service provider that offers content delivery network, cloud security, and performance optimization solutions. Here's how to use Akamai effectively for your website. Sign up for Akamai services. Visit Akamai and sign up for an account or contact sales to get started with their services. You will need an active account to access their platform. Choose Akamai solutions. Akamai offers various services like CDN, web performance, security, and media delivery. Choose the solutions that best suit your needs. CDN. Distribute your website content across global edge servers to reduce latency and speed up delivery. Web performance. Optimize page load times by caching content at the edge, reducing server load. Security. Protect your website from DDoS attacks, bot traffic, and vulnerabilities using services like Web Application Firewall and Bot Management. Configure Akamai on your website. Set up Akamai services by integrating your website with their platform. This usually involves pointing your DNS to Akamai servers, configuring caching settings, and activating security features. Monitor and optimize. Use Akamai's Control Center to monitor website traffic, performance metrics, and security events. Optimize settings for speed, caching, and security based on real-time insights.